So in our last video, we were learning different changes in sound. Okay, so you heard different chord progression, and you were able to tell that this song has two chord progression, this song has three, this song has four, this one has five. So if you know how to do that, then that's the first level. Then the second level is then hearing them in real songs. Okay, so then I was only playing a chord progression. Now it is a bit different when you're hearing a chord progression and when you're hearing somebody singing, because when they're singing, they're not actually singing chords, they're singing out words. So now it's left for you to hear these chord changes in their words. So for example, if I say ah, so I'm trying to sing I just wanna say, I just wanna say, so da 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 ah. So now it's left for you to know how to hum this sound and know when to know how to identify which of these hummed notes sound different from the rest. So I just wanna say, so if I hum it, it will be ah. Let me do that again. Ah 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 ah. So this phrase of this musical phrase, which of these tones sound, very different from the rest? Because some are the same, some are different, but there's this one that is very different. So if I should analyze it in a waveform, I have ah 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 ah. Now if you use that waveform, you will see that is the last note or the last hummed note in that musical phrase has this difference among the rest. Da 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 da. So I just want to say. So if you can identify the differences in this hummed note, the one that sound, that is well pronounced, that is standing out, that hey, I'm different from all of you. It's just like, for example, if I say 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 X, you should know that one of them is very different, right? The rest are numbers, while one is an alphabet. So the same way, if a singer is singing, now if you have reached the intermediate and to the advanced level, this is not going to be a challenge. So this is for those that are still having issues hearing chord changes in songs and you don't know the chords to play. So this lesson is actually for beginners. So I will sing the full song, then we will now identify these changes in the sound. So I just want to say Baba o Eshe eh. So let me stop there and sing it again. I just wanna say Baba o Eshe. So the best way to do this is to write these songs in phrase. I'll be displaying them on the screen the way I want them. I want you to write them. So if you are writing songs in a book to know that tone that is standing out, that is different, write the songs line by line and the way it was sung. So you will not write I just want to say Baba Eshe on one line. That was not how it was sung. It was I just wanna say. So that is one line. Baba O, the second line. Eshe, the third line. The fourth line. So so this song has 4 lines of song, which you can write in one line, but it was sung in 4 lines. So the first line, I just wanna say Baba O she, eh. That is 4. So we write these songs in 4 lines. Then what we are now going to identify the chord change, that note that is very different from the rest. So this is how it goes. Now we hum them. So that last note, underline it. Baba oh, so the last sound on the second line is still having that difference. She, so eshe should be one word, but inside the eshe, the last tone is a 2-syllable word. So the last one is having the different sound there. So on the line, she, she. So the last phrase of the song is eh. So from the third line, she. So it's a good practice to pick the last note from the other phrase and join it to the first one. I mean to the next music phrase. So 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 in this 4 music phrase, I have 4 chord change. So which means we'll be targeting 4 chords here. Okay, so our target is 4 chords. So now the next thing you want to do is, so maybe if you have not trained ear to ear chords, of which you have been doing this in our beginners class on WhatsApp. So if you want to enroll, you can contact me. So it's going to be like this. So already I know how these chords sound. So the first one, then so you now check which of the 7 chords goes well with the last note you are humming. That's the underlying phrase that you are humming. So which of these 1 to 7 chords, because in every major key there are 7 diatonic chords. So you will not try. No, the one will not go. The 2 almost rhymed. So let's try the 3. No, the 3 is not there. So let's try the 4. So we're doing trial and error. Okay. So so the 4th chord rhymes very well, very well. So if you like, you can try from the 1 to the 7, but to save us time here. So the 4th chord rhymes well with the first underlying tone. So I just want to sing the 4. So you now write number 4 on top of that music line, that note, that tone that you underlined. Write number 4 and then you cycle it. So so we can go back to our 1 so the 5 goes well with the second underline tone. So we have So so the sixth go away with the third underlined note. Then and boom, we have scored this 4 line of song. So using this technique, we can score different basic song, because there are certain songs you will never score, and you can never score if your ears are not good. And when I say good, I mean advanced. Okay, so with this we come to the end of level 2 exercise. So what I want to give us is all of us, both those in the WhatsApp class and those that are not in the WhatsApp class, write a simple song. Underline the phrase, the tone that you consider to be very different from the rest. Find a chord, snap it, and post it in the comment section under this video. So see you guys soon in another video.